Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start with power and connections because many crashes are simple electrical or handshake issues. Hold the Xbox power button 10 seconds to fully shut down, then unplug the power brick or cord for 60 seconds to clear residual charge. While it's unplugged, switch HDMI ports or swap cables. Faulty HDMI can mimic crashes. Reconnect and boot with no controllers, headsets, or external drives attached. Once done, note whether the system reaches the home screen. This isolates peripherals versus console-level problems. If the console boots, immediately check for system updates because firmware fixes stability issues. Go to Settings System Updates. If the dashboard won't load, prepare a USB with the offline system update using Microsoft's recovery files and follow the recovery menu. This reinstalls core software without full teardown. If crashes persist, perform a factory reset, but choose Keep Games and Apps to retain downloads while refreshing system files. This often clears corrupt data that causes repeated crashes and avoids long reinstallation. Finish by validating hardware and software together. Run the console in safe or troubleshoot mode and uninstall any app installed just before crashes, then reinstall them one at a time to find a culprit. Check ventilation, move the console to allow 1 to 2 inches clearance, clean dust from vents with compressed air, and avoid vertical blocks. Thermal issues cause sudden resets. If none of this works, collect error codes, LED patterns, and recent changes. Then contact support. Those details speed diagnostics and potential repair or replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.